What is high blood pressure? High blood pressure occurs when the blood pressure on artery walls is higher than normal. You can have high blood pressure for years without any symptoms. Although there are no symptoms, in the long term you can develop serious hypertension complications, including heart attack and stroke. Do you have high blood pressure? If you have a blood pressure monitor, I would like to provide the following. When measuring blood pressure, people use two measurements: systolic blood pressure, the number before, and diastolic blood pressure, the number behind, such as 120/80, written as 120/80. You have high blood pressure when one or both of the indicators are too high for normal. Note: the following indicators apply to people who do not take blood pressure medication and have no history of the disease. 1. Normal blood pressure is almost lower than 120/80. 2. High blood pressure is when your blood pressure reaches 140/90 or higher for a long time. 3. If your blood pressure reading is 120/80 or higher, but less than 140/90, it's pre-hypertension. First of all, I want to talk about the cause of it. There are two types of high blood pressure, with different causes. 1. Idiopathic hypertension, no specific cause. In this case, hypertension is usually genetic and more common in men than in women. 2. Secondary hypertension is the result of a number of diseases such as kidney disease, thyroid disease, adrenal adenoma, or contraceptive use, cold medicine, cocaine, or excessive alcohol consumption. In addition, the disease is also seen in overweight people, or your diet has too much salt, tobacco, alcohol, or too little potassium, vitamin D. Hypertension is quite serious, because there are almost no signs or symptoms other than some common symptoms of hypertension such as headache, shortness of breath, or nosebleeds. However, the signs and symptoms above are also not clear, and usually do not occur until the disease has reached a stage of serious or life-threatening. The advice here is to have your blood pressure checked periodically, which is very easy to do, and besides, knowing if you have high blood pressure, you will soon discover other related diseases